मैं हूँ अश्मित
और मैं हूँ गरिमा
and welcome to our channel Dancers in Style.
How intimidating are perfumes? Because I find them very intimidating. क्योंकि मैं देखती हूँ कभी भी कोई बॉटल उठाऊंगी, there'll be EDP written on it, EDT written on it, और मुझे नहीं पता चलता कि what's the difference and how to choose the perfume for me. So this is 11th episode. I'm not doing that with me. 11th episode of Find Your Style.
Oh ho ho ho.
And we'll be talking about
Perfumes. When you walk into a room and you do smell good, then people take notice of you. It's a fact. Because sense of smell precedes the sense of seeing, and
is that true?
sort of like I've read it somewhere. I'm not sure if it's 100% true.
मतलब it does play a major role.
Yeah, it does, and that's why I never go anywhere without a perfume.
Yeah, she's very big on perfumes और काफ़ी चीज़ें तो मुझे इससे ही पता चली हैं. I'm not that big on perfumes and deodorants, but she is. So let's begin our discussion with talking about the type of perfumes there are. तो आप जब भी कोई भी बॉटल उठाते हैं, you will see one of the three things written on it: parfum, EDP, that's eau de parfum, and EDT, that's eau de toilette.
Claps for getting the pronunciations right.
I did practice. When the bottle has perfume written on it, that signifies that the smell is very intense and very strong. And this fragrance is not gonna leave you. अगर आप ये लगाएंगे तो this is gonna last you the whole day. And it's like a very strong intense smell. EDP जो होता है वो it's like a middle zone where it stays with you for a little time, as in it doesn't do the whole day, but it's there.
Yeah.
Whereas eau de toilette is very mild fragrance, or it just lasts around 2-3 hours. So yeah, that's how you can distinguish amongst the three types of perfumes there are.
And depending upon the description on the bottle, आपको उतना ही amount उसको apply भी करना होता है. If it's a perfume, you have to apply a very little amount. If it's EDP, थोड़ा उससे ज़्यादा, and if EDT, you can be generous, but even then, it's very strong, so it can't be applied like a deodorant.
Yeah,
You have to be very thoughtful when applying all these things.
and if through the day आपको लगे कि जो fragrance है वो जा रही है तो you can reapply it.
Now coming to the second part, जब आपने decide कर लिया कि आपको कौन सा type का perfume चाहिए, you can decide how, you can get to know how to apply it, which you usually do. There are two thoughts of Parisian or French ways of applying perfume. One is that you apply it to your hot points in your body, like your wrists, behind your ears and behind your knees.
Also here.
Sorry, also here your elbows, between your elbows and behind your knees. On these points, the body temperature is a little higher than normal, so it makes it easier for the perfume to diffuse in the air. Like when you walk into a room and everybody's like looking around, who is this person who smells so good? So that is how you do it if you like apply to all these points.
जो ये वाले points हैं ये एक major role play करते हैं when you meet someone and you like greeting them through shake hand, or when you like doing your person way of
So let's do it together in the air.
Okay. So when you're doing this, then it, you know, creates an impression that you smell good and you have a good, you know, aroma going on.
Yeah.
So that plays a very important role in how you present yourself. So that's why these points become important.
Especially if you're going for your first date, stuff like that, or your anniversary, or meeting someone special. So these points can help you make a powerful impression. And you put it behind your knee so that when you're walking in a room and the people seated, so they can also smell how good you smell.
Which brings us to the second school of thought that says to smell acha from top to bottom, you just have to like spray the perfume in the air and walk through it. So that's just like the perfume gets absorbed by you know, by major part of your body, even your hair.
Your clothes.
Yeah. This method of applying perfume becomes important because one, there are people who are very particular about smelling good from top to bottom, and that's why they also want their hair to smell good, ताकि जब वो चलें तो people who are like behind them can smell their hair, and it's like it's considered a very
Posh.
a very very feminine thing when a woman's hair smell good. So yeah, that could be a major factor through which you can like decide, by which you can decide which way to apply your perfume. So these are the two ways you can do.
Totally unrelated. This reminds me, ऐसे जोधा अकबर में when Aishwarya is getting ready to meet Akbar. Sorry, Jodha is getting ready to meet Akbar, and then she has all these dasis.
Acha, हाँ,
What do you call that?
Yeah, okay, her helpers.
Yeah, people who are helping her get ready. Or there's one girl who's like holding this
Yeah,
diyasa something and like putting some dhua into her hair, and I always wonder what are they doing, like what is this thing. Makes a lot of like sense now.
Yeah, they're just like fragrancing up her hair. Now let's talk about how to choose your fragrance.
So what fragrance should you choose for yourself? तो ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है कि आपको ये परफ्यूम लेनी चाहिए या ये परफ्यूम अवॉइड करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज फ्रेग्रेंस इज़ वेरी पर्सनल टू पर्सन, क्योंकि इट मिक्सेस विद योर ओन बॉडी fragrance and your own body smell, so it can be different for different people. One perfume cannot smell the same way on two people.
Yeah.
If you're just really confused and you're starting out, so this might help you. If you're like a young girl who's in her 20s or who's in her early 30s, you can go for fragrances which have like a stronger smell of flowers or a fruity smell. So these smell kind of make you look younger and make you look more peppy, and you know, they smell more girly. So it's more of girly smell if you go for these fragrances. And if you're a woman who's, you know, who's like older and who's more mature, then you can go for an intense smelling perfume which has notes of sandalwood, which are stronger, and you know, it represents that you're a woman now, so you know what you need in life. So it sort of gives off that message. So you can go for those kinds of perfume.
Makes your personality impactful. Otherwise, there is no rule. You can choose whatever you like and whatever smells good on you.
Yeah, and they can also be like, you can go for both perfumes, and you can wear a fruity one when you go for like a casual thing, and wear a very intense one if you're going for like a formal thing. So that's what it also says.
But here we need to remind you that you should not mix two perfumes together. जैसे अश्मित ने बोला, आप इवेंट के हिसाब से चूज़ कर सकते हैं अलग अलग तरीके का परफ्यूम, बट यू शुड मिक्स देम टुगेदर, बिकॉज अदरवाइज when a perfume is created, it already has notes of a lot of smells. So when you combine these two together, then you would just messing up someone's hard work and someone's, you know, knowledge that they've put in making this one product. So don't do that.
And another point to keep in mind is that you shouldn't wear perfume every day.
That is because अगर आप perfume रोज पहनोगे तो आपकी जो smelling sense है, that would become accustomed to this strong smell, and then to yourself you won't smell as good, which would make you apply more. And you know, there is a thin line between too much and too less. So if you are going out wearing too much perfume, that is also not very pleasing. So if your smelling sense is accustomed to your fragrance or your perfume, then you would want to apply more. That won't work in your favor. So that's why just go 2-3 days without applying perfume.
Yeah, and like, you know.
So let's share our favorite perfumes, where Ashmit is gonna take the lead, because I don't wear that much perfume to like have a favorite.
Yeah.
So
there's this one perfume that I have, but I don't use it every day. It's from YSL. I got it when I was working for my company, so I had like some money tab. So I got it then. It was like really expensive. So it's this Black Opium one, which is very intense and very strong, but I really like it. So I use it on very special occasions or very, very important occasions.
Which is not meeting me, of course.
Because she has a sensitive nose, so I have to avoid it. And then I go for my nice deodorants from Miniso that I have.
Yeah, talking about Miniso, I have a perfume that I really like. So as she said कि मुझे ज़्यादा flowery और fruity smell ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं. Citrusy smell I love. So this is Forest Breeze from Miniso, which I've been loving recently. I just like bought it recently, but it's like working for me, so I just wanted to rave about it. और आप भी जाके ले सकते हैं. It's Eau de Toilette. So yeah, it's not very EDT. It's not very intense and it does go away after 2-3 hours. So I can reapply, but it works for me.
Yeah, it's very mild, but it does the work. And then coming to Garima's perfume collection. Edith Eau de Parfum.
So these are क्या बोल रही है?
I was strong के लिए हम गलत ही pronounce कर रहे हैं. So these are EDPs.
And I got, this was a gift. And when I have to go out on special occasions, these are the ones that I apply and I can choose according to my mood. So these are like small bottles of perfume, and yeah.
If you have noticed our styling video very carefully, you can see the small one featuring in it every time.
Some of them are fruity, some of them are a little intense. So I can choose accordingly.
So we'll keep on adding to our perfume collection and we'll share with you guys if we
find anything else that's very good, works very nicely,
and smells great.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye guys.